Let's explore the EOMONTH function in Microsoft Excel. This function is a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to quickly find the last day of any month, making date calculations much easier. The syntax for the EOMONTH function is straightforward. It takes two arguments, start_date and months. The start_date is the initial date you're starting from. The months argument is the number of months you want to move forward or backward from the start date. So the formula is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis start_date, comma, months, close parenthesis. Let's look at a couple of basic examples to understand how the EOMONTH function works. First, to find the end of the current month, if we start with March 15, 2024 and use 0 for the months argument, the formula equals EOMONTH open parenthesis quotation mark 2024 -03 -15 quotation mark, comma 0 close parenthesis. The result will be March 31, 2024. Next, to find the end of the following month, using the same start date but changing the months argument to 1, the formula is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis quotation mark 2024 -03 -15 quotation mark, comma 1 close parenthesis. The result will be April 30, 2024. Now let's explore some advanced examples. To find the last day of the previous month, if we start with March 15, 2024 and use -1 for the months argument, the formula is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis quotation mark 2024 -03 -15 quotation mark, comma -1 close parenthesis. The result will be February 29, 2024, as February was a leap year. To find the month end 6 months ahead, starting from March 15, 2024, with the months argument set to 6, the formula is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis quotation mark 2024 -03 -15 quotation mark, comma 6 close parenthesis. The result will be September 30, 2024. Here's an example of how you might use the EOMONTH function in an Excel worksheet. In the first row, the start date is January 15, 2024. The formula in the adjacent cell is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis A2, comma 0 close parenthesis, which returns January 31, 2024. In the second row, the start date is February 10, 2024. The formula used is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis A3, comma 1 close parenthesis, giving the result of March 31, 2024. And in the third row, using the start date March 5, 2024, the formula equals EOMONTH open parenthesis A4, comma -1 close parenthesis returns February 29, 2024. The EOMONTH function has several practical applications. It is useful in financial models for calculating payment due dates, loan maturity dates, and financial reporting periods. It can also be used in scheduling systems to manage project deadlines, contract end dates, and recurring monthly events. Here are a couple of pro tips for using the EOMONTH function. You can combine EOMONTH with the today function for dynamic calculations. For example, equals EOMONTH open parenthesis today open parenthesis close parenthesis, comma 0 close parenthesis will always return the current month's end date, updating automatically. Also, EOMONTH automatically handles February in leap years, so no extra logic is needed to account for leap years. To summarize, the EOMONTH function has a simple syntax, requiring just a start date and a month's offset. It's perfect for financial and scheduling models, automatically handles leap years, and works with past, current, and future months. Remember, the formula is equals EOMONTH open parenthesis start_date, comma months close parenthesis. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.